Hello. I am here today washing my hair for you guys. I really wanted to show y'all how I get my locks squeaky clean because no one wants buildup during their lock journey. So first, we're drenching our hair in water, and I want you to get in the shower and just soak your hair. Okay, look at my skin real quick though. Like I'm glowing. Right now we're parting our hair. We're parting our hair because, if you have textured, thick, black hair, you gotta part it to really get in there. Right now, I'm showing you my shampoo and freeze. Did y'all see that? And freeze again. I figured out editing a little bit, guys. Aren't y'all proud of me? So now I'm just putting about a quarter size amount into my hair, and I try to part it again to put it directly onto the scalp. Y'all really want to get up in that scalp, scratch, and this is the part where you burn your eyes, because that happens every time I wash my hair. So annoying. So basically the first wash is just me targeting mainly the scalp, and I put this into slow-mo because I wanted y'all to see how effortlessly pretty I am. And we're adding more shampoo because I do not play about that. I'm really trying to get my hair squeaky clean. I want y'all to pay attention. I'm mainly focusing on that scalp. You see how I parted down the middle and I applied it directly to the scalp. I go in with my fingertips and I basically scratch, but I don't use my nails. So right here, I'm about to just target the perimeter of my head. So we're getting the front because, I like to do my edges. I'm getting that back because sometimes I do slick backs. We just had to scrub all around. I also now use a tea tree shampoo. So if y'all want to update it routine, just let me know. Comment that and I got y'all. This is the first rinse that we're doing, and this is the first of many rinses because over here we don't just wash our hair one time. Okay, my mama taught me 2-3 times that gets it clean. As long as you're not Caucasian, I think you should be washing your hair more than once. And coming up, I'm about to do this little motion with my hands to really get the water in and out. Squish like that. You guys, I'm a year in of locking, and look at my hair. It's flourishing. It's fucking gorgeous. I want to give y'all a few quick tips on how I keep my locks as healthy as possible and how I've grown it about 2-3 inches in a year. Ooh, but focus on that right there. Like, just look at, it's just so cute. But yeah, so I would say number 1, definitely wash my hair only once or twice, 3 times max in a month. Number 2, I still wet my hair frequently, even though I'm not washing it often. Ooh, did y'all see that transition? Yes! That's the conditioner I use. Really moisturizing, and it cleanses at the same time. I'm gonna link all this in the description for y'all, so make sure y'all check the description and subscribe if y'all want more like this. But yes, I still wet my hair every single day with a misting spray bottle every single day. Water is moisture, believe it or not, y'all. So if your hair is looking thirsty and you don't want to wash it just yet, spray it with some water. It smells so good, you guys. Y'all have got to buy this conditioner, I'm telling you. Like, your whole shower is just gonna be lit up with aroma. Like, you're gonna have the best shower, I promise. I don't know if I'm talking a lot, but this is my video. So if you don't want to hear what I gotta say, you can always click out, you know what I'm saying? But personally, we're vibes over here, so I want y'all to interact with me if y'all can, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all have locks, if y'all do not have locks. Are you thinking about locking? If so, comment that. I'm going to tell you that you totally should. So if you ask my opinion, I'm gonna say yes, lock your hair. And y'all know I was blasting music in the shower, so I had to have a dance break, you know what I'm saying? I didn't show it, but I did wash my hair multiple times. So at this point, we're on the probably third wash, and I just conditioned my hair. She's looking real nice and shiny. Like, make sure y'all are conditioning. Now, some locticians are gonna say you don't really need to condition with your like you shouldn't condition your locks, but I say you can totally condition, just everything you do, moderate it. So this is something I would not do often. My hair really needed it, y'all. It was dry before I got in the shower, so I went on and conditioned my hair, and I just make sure I rinse really, really good. This is the part I want y'all to pay attention to, okay? When I rinse, I squeeze. So I rinse and I squish water in and out my hair like it's a sponge. Like, I literally squeeze with the palm, I let go. I get as much water as I can in there, because that's rinsing it from the inside out. You know, they're locks, they're thick. So really, really get all that out. You don't want residue in your hair, I'm telling you. See, I'm squeezing, I'm getting water in and out. All right, now we got squeaky clean hair. Thank y'all for watching. If you made it this far, please like, comment, subscribe. Now I'm about to get into the quick little shower routine. Hit that subscribe button, and just so y'all know, I'm on my bratty behavior all 2023.